Gotta go, gotta see things, see new faces and brand new things. Gotta go.
All right, back at it again today. And it is yet another beautiful day here in central Iowa. Partly cloudy skies. I think it's supposed to be up around 80 today. Upper 70s, lower 80s. Heck, I don't know. It's pretty warm out right now. And it is a little breezy, but standing right here, you can't really tell. My dad went out and he field cultivated just a little bit here a little while ago. My uncle is planting a field, gonna do part of another field. And then it sounds like tomorrow morning, we're gonna hit it pretty good tomorrow. So it should just be another day or two if it doesn't rain. And I can devote my time to the Bronco. So I have a little bit of time here today, and I am going to at least get started on the wheel wells. I'm gonna cut this stuff out and get it replaced. On my last video that I put up earlier, I lost some footage. We did go out to the field, and I don't know what happened to that footage. It was like totally gone. But anyway, I did get the cab mount support bracket. I got that ordered while I was out in the field yesterday. Don't know for sure when it's gonna show up. It says that the order's complete and it's in shipping. So evidently it hasn't really shipped out yet. They usually ship pretty quick. I'm hoping to have it here by the weekend. So I got this top patch in here, and I meant to put epoxy primer on it. I'm not sure what I was thinking, but I ended up putting that rust bullet on it. And no, the welds don't look that great. I didn't really grind them down terribly far. I'm not real worried about it. I mean, it's the wheel well. And in here, we're gonna probably end up coating this with something. Bed liner, lizard skin, rubber, something, some kind of a spray in stuff, and that'll pretty much cover all that up. I'm gonna put some body filler over this and smooth it out the best I can, but not gonna spend all day grinding down welds on the wheel well. Got a lot more to do. Have that one to do, have the one up in front to do, have that side to do, and this is time consuming. It takes a long time. Get that in place and then just start tack welding it all the way around. Going to the field tomorrow, so I'll take you along with me on that. And looks like it might rain here pretty soon. There's some red and yellow stuff off that direction and it's coming this way. Don't think it's going to amount to a whole heck of a lot, but we just don't need any more rain right now. Need to get these beans in. Well, it's next morning. We are out here in the field, where I am anyway, right now. The planter will be out here pretty soon. We did get a little bit of rain last night, not a lot, but just enough to make it a little mucky out here this morning. It's drying off some, but you can tell like back on the tires back there, back in the back, it's picking up pretty good, but we'll get some planting done today. My dad had this over at another field this morning. That field was pretty wet. I think he kind of wishes he hadn't have even gone over there. But it's done now. And the other field cultivator just left that field maybe a half hour ago, and it will get planted today as well. But I don't think we have any other fields that really are dry enough to field cultivate and plant today. And then there's a chance of rain. Heck, I don't know. You look at whatever forecast you want to, they all seem to be different. Some say this afternoon, I don't think so. But it sounds like maybe tomorrow night, Saturday. Looks like it might rain a little more. Would really be nice to get all this done. So I've been going for a while here now. Won't take too much longer to finish this up. So last night you saw that I got the passenger side wheel well. I've got one patch in that. There's two more that need to be put into it. They're a little smaller. Very time consuming. And once I get that done, then I should be able to clean up and get some paint on the outside. On the outside of the inside. You know what I'm talking about. Looks like there might be a wet place right here. Don't think it's gonna cause any trouble though. That's not bad at all. But like I said, that's very time consuming. I have the other side to do as well. I'm not gonna make a whole video on this. I made a video of doing that on that red project truck I had. I fixed the wheel wells, the inner wheel wells on that, and I'm not gonna make another video on it. You're just putting a patch of metal in there. If that cab mount support has shipped yet. I emailed LMC yesterday, said it's on the truck, but it hasn't left their facility yet. Today's Thursday. They're just down in Kansas City, I believe, but I'm kind of doubting that I'm going to get that by the weekend. Hawk shop. Well, just about got this field wrapped up, and then I don't know what the rest of the day is going to bring. I don't think I'm going to be doing any more out in the field today. I don't know if you can see that planter over there. My uncle called, or didn't call, he got on the radio just a minute ago and talking to my dad, saying he's going to quit, it's just too wet. So I don't think we're going to be doing a whole lot more today. May get some work done on the Bronco. Well, I got the heat turned on here in the shop. Just a little chilly in here, not too bad. Outside here today, little cool. Only supposed to be in the, I don't know what, low to middle 60s today, something like that. It did rain this morning, so we didn't get out to the field. We may try going to the field here after a while. Didn't rain very much, and it looks like it's gonna rain the next, there's a chance to rain the next few days. Well, just as I was out there recording that, I got the call. We're gonna go try to plant here after a while. I just have a few minutes here, but this came today as well. The part I need for the Bronco, the cab mount support, and a bunch of this. There it is. Not a whole lot to it. When I do this, I may have to put one of those polyurethane cab mounts in here, although I think the rubber one on here looks fine. But I have a whole set of body mounts for this. The polyurethane, I can't remember who they're from, but anyway, I may use those. This looks fine, it's ready to go. So we're gonna be headed to the field. I already had you out there once. I'm not gonna take you out there again in this video. I'm probably gonna make a separate farm video. This video might have been pretty short. I don't really know what all I got recorded. It was done over a couple of days. But give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. We're gonna get busy on the Bronco here soon. Bean planting is almost done. And we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.